In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw funds from the ATME platform to your bank account. The process consists of 3 simple steps. Step 1. Access the withdrawal feature within your ATME account. Log into the platform and go to the wallet section. Select the wallet from which you want to withdraw funds. In the wallet details, click Withdraw to open the withdrawal form. Step 2. Enter withdrawal details. First, select the currency you wish to withdraw. The bank account number will be populated automatically. This is a trusted bank account that you previously added to the platform. Please note, withdrawals can only be made to pre-approved and registered bank accounts. At the end, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. The system will automatically calculate the applicable fee. Step 3. Confirm the withdrawal. Click Submit, then Confirm, and authorize the operation using 2-factor authentication. Your withdrawal request will then be submitted for processing. Once approved by the platform administrator, the funds will be credited to your bank account. This process may take up several business days.